Hello. All right, so here is the one bedroom king room in the Grand Destino Tower. We're gonna walk you in as I would first. We have the desk area here with the TV, the general view, the window, a nice couch that does pull out to a queen if necessary. The main bed.
It's the best
and of course the magnificent Mickey towel.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's beautiful. Mirror on the wall, really cool. Modern thermostat. Got a big closet, kind of armoire right here. Got things like your extra pillow blanket. Ooh, the light turned on when I opened it. Oh, there's a mirror in here, babe.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, so we got the mirror in here. Ironing board, safe. Mirror.
Oh, you're gonna
And again, the entryway. My favorite part, honestly, at every hotel is a
so
cool
nice.
bathroom.
Yeah, this is pretty.
So this is what I'm looking forward to. Awesome shower pan. Rain shower. As well as the handheld. Comes with the H2O plus Disney soaps that Disney is famous for. Because it's not a deluxe resort, we don't get our own, but they're mounted in there, and that's okay. It has the clean tag showing that all those have been disinfected, and that is wonderful. Something I love is that the bathroom, or excuse me, the toilet area, as you can see here, this is separate from the bathroom in case someone has to use the restroom while someone's brushing their teeth, showering, whatever it may be. Some cool Salvador Dali art here at the Grand Destino Tower. Even more, okay, so they did give us some H2O stuff to take. Mouthwash, vanity kit, aloe gel, lotion, facial soap. Really cool, backsplash. I love all this stuff. 12 by 24 porcelain tile, porcelain wood plank look floors. Waterproof, stain-proof, especially in this day and age. It's kind of antimicrobial, anti-viral proof. It's non-porous, so awesome. I mean, this is just an incredible room. The rates are honestly very fair for what you get here. And we haven't even showed you the amenities, but here is the standard King Tower room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.